a cookie sandwich. Ten out of 10. Hi, I'm gonna show you how to make some cookies. Okay, first we have to open the pack and we're gonna make 14 cookies.
How many?
14.
Okay.
This. Oh, number 3 is egg. Number 2 is to get some butter. 4 cup of butter. 1/4 of a cup of butter. Whisk it. Okay. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Getting some beautiful texture of some bacon. Whisk, 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 and a wish, and a whisk, and a whisk. Then let's whisk. Chef. Thank you. And then flour, so it'll be more chicken. Now let's put it on the floor, on the thing. Let's maybe just splat that a little bit. So just splat. Okay, now let's roll it. Okay. That's really good. Roll it stick. Now let's. That might be a little bit too much rolling. This is hard. That was my fault, my fault. And then let's final do this. Okay, let's do this. Be the final part. Whoop. And then a whoop. And just get this out. Make it free. 14. So we need to pick
4 plus 3 is 14. Okay.
Get them out. Maybe we'll just do this. And put it out. And put it on right here. Do this. Get the shape. Okay. Now it's messed up. So we have to pick the shape. Okay. Okay, that's
Hold on.
it's totally pretty. Okay, let's run the next ball. And up. And put it right here. Ah! My ball is falling on some aprons. Now let's do this. And up, then we put a bloop, bloop, lip. That was a good ball. And then you fall on the floor. Boopy. That was Okay. It's not. Jesus. Oh, this is the final part. No! Now let's ice in the cookie. Get icing. And then just spread it on the cookies. And then after, you put the cookie on top of it. Here's a cookie.